Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video we are going to work on a MacBook. If you have any Apple PC, MacBook or an iMac or something like that, and you have a download and install app from non-app store, like not from the Apple, but you got it from somewhere else, you download and install, then what gonna happen? You're gonna see like that. You download app, then it's gonna come on to your desktop, and if you go to here and you eject, then you will not find your app inside your MacBook. You have to install again, you have to redo all the process. So you have either one way, like you keep it here, or you have to download every time you use. So but I have a find the way you can just eliminate this thing, and you can have a permanent app and your PC you can get from your MacBook anytime you need. So what you have to do, you have to open any app, like you're installing app. Once you have installed, you will see probably this kind of folder. What you have to do, that's the app I have a download and install from a web browser. And what we are going to do, we are going to press command and we are going to select and we're going to drag an application folder. Once you click, it will take a couple seconds, it will start copying. As you can see, it getting copying. Once it got fully copied in this one, then we have a permanent this Final Cut Pro app in our launchpad, like in our application folder, and we not worry about to this one. Then we can just get rid of this one, we can delete, we can just eject. We don't need to see this one over here. So that's the way you can do your app. You can remove icon from your desktop. Let's finish this one, then I'll show you what I'm talking about. Like say I have a copy already, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to eject this one. I don't have any more. So what I have to do, I just need to go here and need to type here Final Cut Pro, then you will see I can open from here. Okay, then I have another app, I show you what I'm talking about. So I have a here, I have a, here another app like this one, a Logic Pro X. If I delete this one, then I will not able to open, so I have to do same thing. I will select here, then I will drag and copy in my application. So it will take a couple seconds. I will copy, then I can eject from here, I can remove from my screen, then I have this app permanently in my MacBook. I'm also can navigate here at the bottom launchpad, click here, then you will see your app, all the apps over here. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.